Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use templates without Capcut. Many fantastic video editing applications and online tools offer robust template features. You don't need a specific app to create stunning videos. We'll explore how to leverage these alternatives, ensuring you can produce engaging content with ease and flexibility. This approach opens up a world of creative possibilities for your projects. Finding the perfect template is simpler than you might think. Most video editing applications have a dedicated section for templates or presets, often found right on the home screen or within the project creation menu. Additionally, social media platforms are rich sources for user-generated templates. You can also explore various websites that curate extensive template libraries, offering both free and premium options for your creative needs. Once you've selected a template, the fun of customization begins. Start by replacing the default images and video clips with your own personal media. Then, personalize the text, choosing different fonts, colors, and sizes to convey your message effectively. Don't forget to swap out the background music for a track that perfectly fits your video's mood. You have full creative control to make it uniquely yours. After perfecting your video, it's time to export and share your masterpiece. When exporting, select your preferred resolution, such as 1080p for standard high definition or 4K for ultra high definition. Choose a widely compatible file format like MP4. Once exported, you can easily share your video directly to your favorite social media platforms or save it to your device for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.